So there's my 2011 Avalanche LTZ. It's time to do some maintenance on it. Going to change the front differential fluid and the... Okay, so let's take a look at that front diff from underneath here. And there you can see the fill plug at the top, the bigger one. And the drain plug right there. The top one uses an 18 millimeter socket. The bottom one's a 13 millimeter. Took a little pressure, extra pressure to break that top one loose, but I got it, so it wasn't a huge deal. But so I'm going to go ahead and pull those out and drain the fluid. So I pulled out the top plug, the fill hole plug, and it's you can see it's draining some out of that too. Just a little note to make sure you get that fill plug loose. Make sure you can get it loose, because if you can't get it loose, there's no sense in draining the differential, because you won't be able to get fluid back in it. So now I'm just going to pull out the drain plug. And let her drain. Okay, so there you have it. I got it all back together. I filled it up through the fill hole up there. And as you can see, I just put a quick shot of paint on them to kind of shine them up a little bit, but pretty simple. Empty and then refill. I used my little hand pump on here, which is kind of a pain to use with that thick of oil, but it got the job done. Took a little longer than I would like, but it worked. So now the front's done.